Got a Ford? Got problems? Let's fix that engine. Fords are great when they're running right, but when they're not, it's like trying to explain the appeal of a Reliant Robin. We're diving deep into the greasy bits, giving you the know-how to tackle these problems head-on. We'll be your trusty mechanics, guiding you with tips, tricks, and maybe a cheeky joke or two along the way. So grab your toolkit, put on your game face, and let's get those Fords back on the road. Let's tackle the heat. Temperature gauge creeping up? Don't ignore it. Overheating can turn your engine into a molten mess. A common culprit is a faulty radiator. If it's clogged or leaking, things get steamy. A stuck thermostat blocks coolant flow. Low coolant levels can spell disaster. Regular checks are key. Check your coolant levels and look for leaks. Oil leaks. They can be messy and signal serious engine trouble. Ford's Triton and EcoBoost engines often have oil issues. Tritons can spring leaks like a sieve. EcoBoosts are prone to gasket failures. The fix? Find the source of the leak. Use a UV dye to pinpoint the culprit. Replace the offending gasket or seal. Act fast to prevent bigger issues. The timing chain. It's the unsung hero of your engine, but when it goes wrong, it's catastrophic. Some Ford engines, like the Triton Vive 8, have timing chain issues. Regular oil changes can help prolong its life. If you hear rattling noises, especially on startup, get it checked out pronto. Fuel injectors. Those tiny little nozzles spraying fuel into your engine are crucial for performance. Symptoms of a fuel injector problem can be as subtle as a slight hesitation under acceleration or as dramatic as a complete engine stall. If your Ford feels sluggish or the check engine light is flashing, dodgy injectors could be the culprit. Cleaning or replacing these little guys isn't rocket science. A good fuel injector cleaner can work wonders. Sometimes replacement is the only option. A well-maintained fuel system means a happy Ford. Spark plugs. They ignite the air-fuel mixture that makes your car go vroom. Worn-out spark plugs cause misfires, leading to power loss and poor fuel economy. Replace them every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Check your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Let's talk transmissions, specifically those found in popular Fords like the Explorer. A smooth shifting transmission is a thing of beauty, but a clunky, slipping, or downright refusing to shift one. That's a one-way ticket to frustrationville. Common issues? Slipping gears, rough shifting, delayed engagement, and strange noises. Sometimes a simple fluid change can work wonders. If you're experiencing more serious symptoms, it's time to call in a qualified transmission specialist. Think of your engine as a fireplace. Over time, soot and ash build up, right? Well, the same thing happens inside your engine with carbon buildup. This gunk can clog up intake valves, reduce airflow, and generally choke the life out of your engine's performance. Symptoms include reduced power, poor fuel economy, and rough idling. Fuel additives can help, but for a proper clean sweep, you'll need a professional engine decarbonizing service. Think of it as a spa day for your engine. Electrical problems. They're the automotive equivalent of a poltergeist, invisible, unpredictable, and bloody annoying. From dead batteries and faulty alternators to gremlins lurking in the wiring harness, electrical issues can be a real head-scratcher. Symptoms can range from the mildly irritating, a flickering headlight, to the downright dangerous, a complete electrical system failure. A dying battery might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it could be a symptom of a larger charging system problem. Don't ignore the warning signs. Last but not least, let's talk about exhaust systems. A healthy exhaust system is crucial for both performance and the environment. Common culprits include exhaust leaks, a clogged catalytic converter, or even a faulty oxygen sensor. Symptoms can range from a loss of power and increased engine noise to that dreaded check engine light. Regular inspections are key. Look for any signs of rust, cracks, or loose parts. If you notice any changes in your engine's sound or performance, get it checked out by a professional. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from overheating engines to dodgy electrics. The key takeaway? Regular maintenance is key to a happy Ford. Don't ignore those warning signs and address issues early on. Not everyone's cut out for the greasy trenches of engine repair, and that's why we have professionals. By arming yourselves with a bit of knowledge, you can at least go into the garage with your eyes open, not like a deer in headlights.